According to HubSpot, companies get a 55% boost in leads by increasing their landing page number from 10 to 15. A landing page is essential for a successful buyer's journey. It lets you turn prospects into new customers. For that reason, brands are always looking to make their landing page campaigns more efficient to boost marketing ROI. The digital landscape is constantly expanding, and brands need to rethink their strategies and find a way to cater to their ever-evolving audience. Since there are 6.64 billion smartphone users globally, mobile-friendly landing page campaigns are something you definitely don't want to miss out on. With the help of a landing page QR code, users can access your landing page on their mobile devices, all without effort. I mean, literally. All it takes is a single scan for your audience to receive valuable information about your brand. Everything happens right there at their fingertips. The end result? You get to provide a better user experience, increasing your chances of transforming website visitors into full-time customers. If you're looking to learn more about customized QR code landing pages, their uses, and how to create them, stay tuned. This video is for you. If you still don't know, a landing page QR code is a QR code that gets users to a dedicated landing page upon scanning. Brands can leverage these QR codes to capture leads online directly from the physical world. I know you're wondering, why would I need to use a QR code when I could just promote my landing page throughout the web? Well, the answer to that is simple. Your target audience doesn't always spend their time at home in front of a computer screen or on their phones browsing a social media feed. A good part of your audience is out there on the outside, and you'll need a way to get them from the physical world to your dedicated landing page. So how do you get your potential customers to do that on their own accord? Again, the answer is simple. All you need is a customized QR code landing page. Let's look at several reasons why you should start creating a QR code landing page right now. We'll also look at how Beaconstac's mobile landing page creator can help. Number 1, you can link to multiple destinations from a single page. So every landing page has its purpose. But what if you could provide multiple user journeys from a single page? Think of hitting two birds with one stone. You can easily do that with Beaconstac's Agile Landing Page Builder, letting you link to multiple destinations from a single page. Let's look at the following scenario. Suppose you're running a campaign to gather more post-purchase reviews for your product. At the same time, you also want to drive users to check out your online store and place an order. You can create a landing page that provides two options. Option 1 is to get customers to provide a review, prompted by a CTA like this. Happy with your purchase? Tell us how much you love it. Option 2 is to persuade customers to browse more of your products. You can also use a CTA to do that. Submitted your review? Check out our online store. You can attach the landing page to your QR code and place it anywhere that can prompt a customer to scan. Once they scan the QR code, they can select from one of the options. They can submit a review, then visit your online store, or vice versa. The key benefit of this strategy is that you can build credibility for your product offerings while establishing a direct consumer channel for your brand. As we can see from the above scenario, the ability to link to many destinations from a single page has the potential to achieve more than one goal, all thanks to a custom landing page. Number 2, you can retarget non-converted leads and turn them into customers. According to Business Insider, 97% of first-time visitors leave a website without making a purchase. Now, that's an overwhelmingly high average bounce rate. Thankfully, you can reduce that by using retargeting strategies that can help you increase conversions. One notable feature of Beaconstac's landing page creator is the ability to retarget non-converted site visitors using Facebook and Google Ads. All you need is your Facebook Pixel ID and Google Conversion ID to remarket to prospects that bounced off from your store. Now you get a second chance to turn them into new customers. Make sure to incorporate retargeting into your landing page campaign to get more opportunities to prompt site visitors to convert. Number 3, you get to enjoy easy landing page creation. In case you don't know, Beaconstac runs a dedicated, easy-to-use mobile landing page builder. It allows you to build a landing page from scratch or choose from a wide range of ready-to-use templates. And no, you don't need to be a coding expert to use our drag-and-drop builder. Everything you need is right there on the platform. Think of it as a mini website builder that you can use over and over to create compelling and engaging landing pages for converting customers, all without ever writing a single piece of code. Though that's also possible because the builder allows you to write CSS code if you're up for it. Number 4, you can customize your landing page to suit your brand. Beaconstac's landing page builder provides extensive customization options. You have free reign over your visuals, from choosing between different fonts and colors to adding your own video and image content. The customization options don't end there. As mentioned, Beaconstac's drag and drop builder lets you write CSS into the platform. Now's your chance to brush up on your CSS writing skills. As you know, CSS allows you to further improve the look and layout of your website. If you have the know-how, you can write directly on the builder itself, and it'll immediately apply the changes. Number 5. You can edit your campaign using dynamic QR codes. Let's say you built a landing page and linked it to the QR codes on your marketing collaterals. But after a while, you decided to modify the landing page information. If you're using static QR codes, you won't be able to share the changes via the same codes. You'd have to create and print another set of QR codes on your marketing materials. Now, that can cost a lot of time and money. Thankfully, you don't have to do that. Just use a dynamic QR code that you can easily edit. You can redirect your existing QR codes printed on the same collateral to an updated landing page. Remember that you can only do this by using a dynamic code. Static codes are uneditable. Once you've linked a landing page on a static code, that landing page is there for life. Number 6, you can track landing page QR code scans. Besides having the ability to redirect the latest campaigns, dynamic QR codes also let you track their performance. Using QR code analytics, you can track the number of scans, location of scanning, and the devices used. You can also take the data tracking up a notch by integrating with Google Analytics to receive more in-depth insights. You can get clear insights into user demographics, behavior, and more. These essential KPIs let you better understand your audiences to optimize your landing pages to cater to their preferences. Now that you understand the benefits of a QR code landing page, it's time to learn how to create one. As with any other QR code application, creating one with Beaconstac is quick and easy. Here's how. Step 1. Create your landing page. Log into the Beaconstac dashboard, then navigate to Campaigns and choose Landing Pages. Once you're in the landing page creation setup, click on Create at the top right corner of the dashboard. This takes you directly to the landing page builder. You can either make your landing page from scratch or select a template from the ones listed. Whichever you choose, you're going to have to add your own content to make your landing page stand out. First, let's give it a name. Once that's done, let's paste the content into the editor. You can also style the font as per your brand guidelines. Pick a font family, font size, and color. Here's an added tip. If you wish to add more visual components to your page, you can do so with an image slider. This unclutters the page and makes it more engaging. You can also get intricate with your landing page design. You can pick a theme from the ones listed or create your own using custom CSS. Step 2. Set up retargeting for your landing page. Before hitting save, make sure your landing page can retarget users on Google and Facebook. You can do that by integrating a Facebook pixel and a Google Ads conversion ID on the platform. Note that retargeting is available only on the Enterprise plan. So if you want to enjoy this advanced feature, simply go ahead and do an upgrade. I'll put a link down below. So once you're done designing your landing page, just hit save and your landing page is ready to go. Step 3, create your dynamic QR code. Now that you've got a landing page, it's time to generate the QR codes you're going to link it to. Go to QR codes on the left panel and click on Create QR Code at the top right corner of the dashboard. You'll need to select Landing Page. Select your custom landing page from the drop-down list to add it to your QR code. You can see a preview on the right side of your screen. Once you're all right, go ahead with customizing your QR code. Beaconstac provides tons of customization options. Users can select a number of predefined QR code templates. Users can also modify eyes, choose from various data patterns, and add a logo, background, and CTA frame. You can even change the shape of your QR code. Want it circular instead of square? We've got you. Once you're happy with what your code looks like, all you have to do now is download it. Now, as I said before, quick and easy. You can get a tailored landing page from scratch in just minutes, ready to bring in conversions. You also never have to leave the platform. Beaconstac gives you everything you need right there. Now, of course, you don't have to use our landing page builder. If you're scaling a brand, chances are you're probably running your own website. Either way, using QR codes to get an audience to your landing pages does wonders for your customer acquisition, reach, and brand awareness efforts. With QR codes, you can sway your target audience to visit your landing page as soon as they see and read your prints, whether that's a handheld flyer or a giant roadside billboard. If you are looking to try out the landing page builder or would like to start creating your own dynamic editable codes, grab your 14-day free trial of Beaconstac. The link is down below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn the notifications on so you always catch the latest and greatest QR codes have to offer. And if you have any questions about anything QR code related, we can chat about them in the comments below. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.